Welcome, and in front of me I have the new DJI Osmo Action 3, and I'll go over unboxing along with the what I would consider a quick spec read on what you get here. So anyway, let's just pop it open. We have some information right here in a couple languages, more precisely 3. Now, some of the most probably most notable aspects of this would be the 4K 120 hertz refresh rate recording with super wide FOV, so you will get a super nice wide shot, nice crisp 4K resolution, and also super smooth footage. We do have a horizontal lock, so it will just kind of continue to record, though I'm guessing, keep that in mind, that horizontal steadiness, it might just kind of like lock onto it, and it might be forcing you into recording at lower resolution than 4K, though this is just a speculation, so take it with a grain of salt. We do have a cold resistance, so you can record obviously in like super low temperatures. They advertise it at -20 Celsius. So they say that you can record for up to 150 minutes in temperatures as low as -20. Then you have a quick release, whatever mounting, 16-meter waterproofing, so you can swim with it. Though keep in mind, waterproofing usually refers to clean water, or basically pure one, so not salt water. In that case, if your device gets damaged from salt, basically just corroding things, you basically lose warranty on your device. And we have dual touch screens. So anyway, just pop it open however you do so. Oh, right over here. Ooh, that's nice. They actually have a little pull tab right here, kind of like Apple does, so not as good though. But yeah, just rip it off. We do have a little bit of like instructions right here, QR code for scanning, battery packs, how you basically place them in, mount it. I'm gonna leave the camera for last. Let's start off with the charging pack. So this is actually a power bank as well, as you can see. It's a little bit cheap in feeling, to be honest, but obviously it will do the job. Now in here we will most likely have all our gear. So we have different mounting, there we go, different mountings for it. As you can see, it comes with a case. Also have a little bit of a rubber. Okay, so we have 2 rubbers, one if you get lost, I guess, and another one for the little ring right here, and a lens. We have a couple of these screws for mounting, and we have more mounting points. So this is a clip-on, what it looks like. I'm kind of curious how you clip it on. Ah, there we go. Ooh, those are magnetic. There we go. Those are quite strong magnets. Though, as you can see, they won't really like clip it right away, so make sure you clip it in yourself. But once it's in there, it's not coming off whatsoever. And obviously quickly you can just press the little clips and it will detach. Quite nice mounting solution here. And now moving on to the actual like hardware itself. Let's just open it up. Oh, that's charging. Oh, there we go, that's how you open it up. Ah, darn it. It requires the application for it to actually first have it set up, looks like it. Oh no, never mind. Okay, so I can use it without it. There we go. So you can kind of get a look how this looks like. Trying to look at it how it looks like when I'm just looking into some kind of darker areas. But yeah, it looks like it can record in darkness pretty freaking well. So there we go. And obviously you can see you do have the front, it shows what the camera sees, and also obviously on the back. So there we go. Now quickly, like I said, going into the specs right here, kind of like worth mentioning parts of this. Gonna just flip through their website and just mention the ones that that they basically advertise. So 120 hertz, like I said, 4K ultra wide recording. We have 155 super wide FOV, so basically the exact angle of it. We have a 1x1.5 or 1.7 inch sensor on here, so basically the only one, as you can see right here, which should give a pretty decent low light quality. The mounting systems, which are pretty nice, along with the little casing. Actually, let's put it on. Does this like on clip, or do I just put it through like so? It looks like I just slide it in like so. Okay. And clip it in, and there we go. So that's how the case actually looks like. And obviously, one more thing that I'll mention, we do have also a mounting point at the bottom of the camera. Now, continue. So we can mount it vertically, horizontally, obviously, like I just mentioned. Then we have the super cold resistance, so embrace the cold at -20 Celsius or -4 Fahrenheit. And like I said, it can record up to 150 minutes in those temperatures, so pretty good. Normally, the battery should be lasting about 160 minutes, so you lose about 10 minutes of recording, but that's about it. So honestly, for the drastic temperature difference, you're not losing much battery here. And the device itself has a fast charging in here, and it actually does charge pretty fast. So it charges in about 18 minutes to 80% battery. So you can basically just plug it in for a brief moment, get a cup of coffee, and by the time you're done drinking your coffee, the device is basically ready to fully go again for another 160 minutes or 50 depending where you're recording it. It has some rock steady 3.0 system right here, just for the image stabilization. So no matter how much you shake, what you do, this footage from here should come out super like clean without any kind of like just nauseating shake. Obviously it might have just a little bit some movement, but obviously the kind of like GoPros and all these cameras that allow you to just record the footages from like extreme sports, they have gotten super good at stabilizing the footage that you get, which normally would be an earthquake to watch. And what else is there to say here? 15-meter waterproofing, so I did mention that, which for all the US people, this is 52 feet depth. So again, pretty damn good. If you can dive 16 meters yourself, probably already pretty damn good. I know I would never be able to get that deep. That sounded wrong. Unless I dropped the damn thing into the water by mistake without actually being in the water. So yeah, anyway, let's see if there's anything else on the side that they mention. Yeah, it looks like that's basically all the worth mentioning things. So yeah, anyway, obviously pretty decent package right here that you get. Probably one of the better things, because normally you would have to buy this, as the little power bank. I think this is a power bank actually. Yep, it's most certainly a power bank. So yeah, a power bank that lets you charge 3 batteries, and the actual inclusion of 3 batteries with the device. For the most part, it was like GoPros from what I've unboxed. You get only 1, and that's it. Here you get a nice power bank and 3 batteries, so you can take it on the go. Charge this up. This will also be charging up your devices or your batteries. And you can see we have a Type-C plug, which also actually means that you could just have a Type-C to Type-C and, for instance, use your phone to charge the case, and the case could charge your batteries. Now we didn't see any kind of like info right here on the actual battery capacities, so I have no idea how big the battery in the case is. But if it's pretty big, you might not want to use it for like with the devices that have a small battery. But most of the phones nowadays have like power share, so you can utilize that. So like I said, if you're probably running something like Fold, you don't have a big battery already, so you might want to skip that one and have like a massive, for instance, power bank that you can carry around, which probably you actually might have. So you can then top it all off right here and you should be good to go. But yeah, anyway, with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.